Hello my dear students, today we will explore an important aspect of sericulture, the diseases and pests of the silkworm. Bombyx mori, from Protozoan Pebrine, bacterial, fungal and viral infections to pests like the Uzi Fly, ants and Dermestid beetles. We will explore how these threats affect silkworm health and silk yield. This video is perfect for undergraduate and postgraduate zoology students and competitive exam aspirants. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simplified biology content. Silkworm disease of Bombyx mori, a major threat to sericulture. Silkworms are highly vulnerable to disease caused by protozoa, bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which can severely affect their health and reduce silk yield and silk quality. Here is a brief look at major diseases and their prevention. Pebrine, a protozoan disease of silkworms caused by Nosema bombycis, is transmitted both vertically from infected moths to egg and horizontally through contaminated leaves, trays or infected worms. Affected larvae show black or brown spots on the body, slow growth, reduced feeding and general weakness, leading to poor quality cocoons and low silk yield. Prevention includes microscopic testing of eggs before rearing, destroying infected larvae, disinfecting rearing trays and always using certified disease-free eggs. Flacherie, a bacterial disease in silkworms, is primarily caused by Bacillus species, Serratia macerans and Staphylococcus species. It spreads through contaminated mulberry leaves, poor hygiene and infected rearing trays. Infected larvae exhibit lethargy, loss of appetite, swollen and soft bodies, watery diarrhea and eventually turn black and die. Effective prevention and control involve maintaining cleanliness in rearing trays and rooms and providing only fresh and clean mulberry leaves and ensuring proper temperature and humidity conditions throughout the rearing process. Muscardine, also known as the White Death, is a fungal disease in silkworms caused by Breviaria bassiana, which infects larvae through their skin via fungal spores. Infected larvae develop white, mold-like patches on the body, become stiff and die with a chalky appearance due to complete fungal growth. Prevention and control measures include maintaining a dry, well-ventilated rearing area, promptly removing infected larvae and disinfecting with antifungal agents such as lime powder. Viral disease or Grasserie, the swelling curse. Grasserie, known as the swelling curse, is a viral disease in silkworms caused by Bombyx mori nuclear polyhedrosis virus or BMNPV, transmitted through contaminated food, tools or rearing trays. Infected larvae become swollen and shiny with fragile skin that often bursts, releasing a milky fluid leading to significant loss in silk production. Prevention and control include using virus-free certified eggs, regularly disinfecting trays and avoiding overcrowding during rearing. Sotto disease, a form of bacterial septicemia caused by Bacillus thuringiensis or Bt variety Sotto, is a fast-acting infection in silkworms transmitted through ingestion of contaminated larvae or surfaces. Infected larvae abruptly stop feeding and become paralyzed, lose movement and die quickly in a limp state. Prevention and control involve maintaining strict hygiene in the rearing room, ensuring mulberry leaves are clean and regularly monitoring larval behavior for early signs of infection. Silkworm pests of Bombyx mori, silent destroyers of the silk. In addition to deadly diseases, silkworms also face serious threats from pests that silently attack and damage both the worms and their precious silk cocoons. Let's explore the key culprits and the best ways to control them. The Uzi fly, Exorista bombycis is one of the most destructive pests of silkworm larvae, act as a deadly parasite. The female Uzi Fly lays eggs on the silkworm bodies and upon hatching the maggots burrow in the larva, feeding on its internal tissues. These maggots either pupate inside the silkworm or exit to pupate outside, leading to the larva's death and causing severe losses and poor quality cocoons. Prevention and control measures include using fine mesh netting to keep adult flies out, regularly inspecting and removing infested larvae, and encouraging biological control with parasitoid wasps such as Nasolinx thymus. Ants are the opportunistic attackers that invade silently and cause unexpected losses in silkworm rearing. They target weak or dead larvae, disrupt the rearing processes, and contaminate trays, ultimately reducing larval health. To prevent and control ant infestations, it is essential to set up an anti-proof barrier around trays, maintain a clean and dry rearing room, and use natural deterrents like ash or chalk powder around the trees. Dermestid beetles or Dermestid species, also known as skin beetles, are notorious cocoon raiders that attack stored cocoons and pupa. Their larvae feed on dried pupa and silk, hollowing out the cocoons and significantly reducing both silk quality and yield. To prevent and control infestations, cocoon should be stored in a sealed pest-proof containers. Rearing and storage areas must be thoroughly cleaned to remove waste silk and dead matter, and if necessary, safe insecticides or fumigation can be used in storage zones. So my dears, today we have discussed how disease and pests like Pebrine, Grasserie, Uzi Fly and Dermestid beetles threaten the health of Bombyx mori and silk production. Understanding their causes, symptoms and control methods is key to mastering sericulture. Thanks for learning with me. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting biology lessons.